If it's not the queen, who is it? Who is it? Bonni B. Queen. I wait in my train. And I'm going to Sana. Oh my god, guys, it's been such a crazy morning. But I'm so happy I'm with my baby. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. You are not invited. And all the time, it's just a vibe. Like, I love this girl, guys. If you don't know, I love her. Kesana. Kakulu. Always on forever. You must know. Tomorrow, next week, next year, next month, all the time. All the time. All the time. Why you have to do this all the time? Why are you getting lost all the time? Why are you being weird all the time? Just be free and happy all the time. What a slogan. Oh, what a slogan. All the time. And it's only the human got all the time. It's so funny. Because literally, guys, that's Bonnie's mom. Literally.
These two consist to amuse me. Like, guys, giving Bonni B and Martha. Guys, please don't fail to do the needful as expected. Okay, hit the notification bell, subscribe, like, share, comment, so that when the Jesus cooking definitely to right here downstep. Don't leave it there. Always tune in and stay tuned. Bonni B posted it, no post in months, but who is counting? Link up, laughter, and real convo, just what the soul needed. Or really, are they having anything like what we don't know? We get to see. Like, I've seen this too for a long time. I'm damn happy. What about you? Anyway, Chada Therapy says, stunning beauty is ridiculously inspiring. For real, though. Sipasitle is looking very beautiful, dashing, giving us that look really to the side back of her. Oh yeah, this girl there. Alright, guys, let's hop into the gist of today. Okay, Mshini lover posted it. Mshini leave was is wholesome last night. She was answering our question about her daughter and her future plan and what she is working on in terms of her career right now. She also has this new crazy laugh she kept doing, especially towards Shed. What an unbothered queen who is focusing on her life. One thing she said that I liked is that she has always paid her own bills, but now everything is just so affordable, meaning the money is coming. That's good. That's good to hear. But guys, I'm so happy seeing this housemate doing very well. I think it's aligning and working out well for them, just like what Wani said. They can pay their being fat life worth it. Anyway, guys, there's a particular phase you get in life. You're like, oh, is this how life is? Is this life? We can pray together. Oh, I'm so happy for this one's testifying. Some applicable, God has been faithful in our lives though. Anyway, this one said, so when to expect Coco's appearance? Alright, the day you got a job, you even better the sticking goals that the machine is making. I don't get that, but anyway, guys, it's giving Mshini following what is this called again? Ashley's. Am I forgetting Ashley's name? I must be what? Anyway, so when to expect Coco's appearance? Like, they were like, Coco was following Ashley everywhere she go. Like, when she's live, you see Mshini there. Alright, like, guys, you guys are there everywhere. Likewise, Ashley will be doing some. I think they have once got Ashley and Mshini live, so they're just both following each other. There's no bad blood anyway. I'm still saying, God, who would want to watch Coco's on TV when she bought us on channel 190? Oh God, stop that. Trolls, okay, let's leave that for another day. That is how you guys do. That is why Ashley due to reverse is the case. So let's not just bring the judge here. Hey, just going through a memory lane. Cheers to Ashley who loved and been with Ashley since day one. We've come a long way. Oh yeah, you guys have been thoughtful, you have been loving. There's nothing more I can say about you guys, because one thing about you can't stand your faith for Africa without. No, you can see what they brought to my mind. Patiently waiting for Ashley their realization. Imagine hating Ashley. Some people are going through a lot. These are what they were saying during why she was in the show though. They were like, these are people that can just not wait for a moment wise in the house. You can see them bringing it to memory. They were like, oh yeah, it's worth it. So you can see Ashley and Uyanda. When you are between Ashley and Uyanda, which one has a lot of fan base? Alright, Ashley 86, Uyanda 34. You can compare that now. It's very, very obvious. Let's not start speaking about it. Nsuku speaking to matriculants. That's good to see. Oh, really, Nsuku? Our Nsuku, our hot baby, our pepper of their season. Like this one has small pepper, not be small pepper. This one a bigger tarodo. Okay, me laughing at Uyanda haters, knowing they can't afford buy Nick XA. Anyway, guys, what are you laughing at? Yeah, it's an evidence of these are the haters trying at Mshini, what is it called, the Uyanda hater, that you know the gigs I told you that Uyanda bagged right now, recent one, it is giving Osha proper. Anyway, you can see how the engagement is turning in Instagram right now. Uyanda favor busy ordering that online. Like that was why that comment come to play. They are like the last time I told you guys, I was like Uyanda fanbase are not that engaging as they used to be, but coming out saying this one, I'm so married at it. I'm so happy he's saying this. So now I say our one and only incredible pages. Oh really? Uyanda taking off. Where are they going? Where is he going? Uyanda is always busy. This guy is giving us busy thinking. He's busy doing the thinking. Like I'm so happy coming up seeing their doings. It gives me happiness. So likewise others, to wish them all good things, all the good tidings in life, that they will not be hungry, they will know no lack. Yes, in as much as they put in their best in their own way, things will be working out for them without putting much, without doing much though. Anyway, fresh, where is my king going, guys? He's traveling. They did disclose it, but that is not closed though. Anyway, you get to know as soon as possible. So they were trending Uyanda taking off, taking a flight to where they did not know. Alright, I think he made me okay. It's a music that was playing though. He didn't make mention of that. My Oya is busy catching flights. You guys will trade on anything. That is what I want to see coming, because I once mentioned of it before. If you are my favorite viewer, you know that I once made a comment about Uyanda fans not being engaged. But coming out saying this, I'm damn proud of them. Like, but in as much as it's not enough. He compared with the huge fan base he bagged. You telling me? What are you telling me though? Anyway, guys, who among you wants to love seeing Bonni be in the screen again? Tell me in the comment section. I think I'll hang it as far. To see you in my next video. Bye for now.